Hi everyone, I am Mark Torres Sambarillo, 16 years old. I will teach you how to ace an departmental test, especially this examination week. I bet you're worried about having a low score or worse, but here, I'll teach you how to make those scores high. Firstly, study every day. Yes, simply study at least an hour every day. It may sound simple, but it helps for a long run because it slowly and surely will retain into your brain without the feeling of cramming and intense pressure. Secondly, cut out distractions such as social media like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and anything else. Because it will disturb your peace during your study session and might disrupt your report card just because of social media. Thirdly, don't skip school. A single school day might sound, isang araw lang na naka-absent. Consequently, missing classes automatically puts you at disadvantages. Make sure you go to class, especially during the week leading up to the test. Lastly, be healthy. Being healthy does more good than harm. It brings out your inner soul of the academic achiever. Sleeping 8 hours daily, having a responsible diet, works out properly, and etc. will rapidly enhances your academic performance. That's it. The more you give, the more you receive. Mark, at your service.